Hey guys, how's it going? I wanted to share with you this gorgeous farmhouse sink. I absolutely love this. I cannot wait for my husband to get the new countertops in and to install this sink in our kitchen. My dog is very interested in it. And so speaking of, you can see him right next to it. Easy, I can easily put him in here to bathe him. So it's made out of fire clay. I just want to show you the measurements here. So we are 36 inches across that way. $17.5, almost 18, wide this way. And then it is 10 inches tall. So nice, so big. I am a busy mom of two. I have a new little niece coming that my husband and I will be helping care for occasionally, and she can easily bathe in here. We can put her little baby bath in here. Hope my sister comes over. Anyway, we don't need to while we're caring for her. Lets me see her bathe in here, but it comes with this really nice like grate here, so your food and things like that aren't sticking to the bottom. I love this. This was definitely a must-have. You must want to really take a bath here. So this is great. And it has these little rubber feet on the bottom, so you're not gonna scratch it up or anything like that. But it's super durable. I would never worry about that anyway. Really nice, heavy duty. Comes with an installation manual and comes with your drain and parts for that. So here's your drain. We'll just go right there. And then some additional plumbing parts for that. So I absolutely love this. I think it's stunning. It's classic. It's gonna look great in any kitchen, laundry room. Could you imagine putting this in a laundry room? It would be dreamy. So I'm gonna get some of my dishes and show you how much I can fit in here. And I'll be right back. Okay guys, so here we are. I wanna highlight again, this is a pretty big Yorkie mixed dog. He can easily fit in here. Free, come here. He'll listen to me later when I don't want him over here. But check this out inside the sink. I hope you can see. I have a ton of plates in here. My full pots and pans set right here. And I can still fit more stuff in here. This is seriously a dream come true. And what I love about it is it's so tall and deep that people can't see your mess. So you're not in a rush to clean up when you have company over. Just put it in the sink and hide it. I absolutely love this. Again, can't wait to install it. Comes with a great installation manual, and I would highly recommend it. It's super easy to clean, really nice, smooth